Hey guys, Animus Travels here with late breaking news. At 3:55 a.m. this morning, an earthquake hit near San Francisco, near the San Francisco area. Near Portela, I believe that's how you say it. Anyhow, yeah, it's somewhere along the San Francisco area because I kind of felt some type of jolt. Or something. It was two quick thuds. And then when I looked at my clock, it was on my phone, it was 4:09 a.m. So if anyone can truly confirm about this earthquake that happened this morning, I'd appreciate it in the comments. So if anyone could do that for me or has more knowledge about it, yeah, I would really like to hear more about it from anyone who might have experienced it better in the comment section. All right? Well, till next time, guys, stay tuned.